In this video, I'm going to fix a flat tire on the Toyota Prado 2020. So I has hit the nail somewhere while I was driving, so we're going to fix it. Now if you open up the car door, so we can twist it and turn it and open. In here there are tools that you can use to remove the tire. So here we can take this one out. You can even lift it up and take the whole thing out. Look at on the left side here. So that's the jack right there. So you can twist and turn to take it out. And it looks small, but it will jack very high, suitable for the car. Okay, now I'm just going to put the jack into the car. It is right there. So that's where it sits. So we're going to use the extension tool to jack it up. Okay, so there's these long tools here. We basically connect it, and here you can simply just go in and connect it in here into the hole. So connect it like that, and then just use this and then turn like this. I can do it with one hand. You can see it is super light. I can even do it with one hand. Okay, so using this extension tool, we can lift up the car. So lift it up, so once the tire is not touching the ground, we can remove the tire. Okay, so here is a screw causing the flat tire. So we remove the screws or a nail. Right. So I'm just going to use this tire repair kit to fix it with this tool. Now once you have finished fouling the hole, we now use this glue, and we're going to use this patch right here. So pull out, and we just need one patch, so one stick right there. So we just need one only, and pull it out. Yeah. Đấy sẽ ra. Okay, now we need to push it all the way down. Now it can be hard if you didn't found the hole big enough. If you find it a bit difficult, make sure you use the fouler to foul the hole and make sure it is large enough. Once it is down, we can cut it out. So here, using a sharp knife or this cutter here, and we just cut out the excess part. So here you can see I'll just cut it out. So you don't need to make it all the way flat. It should be good enough if you just cut the top part out. Like so. So there it is, that's good enough for me. Then just pump up your tire and then put it back into your car. Lower down your car and remove the jack. And that's it. We have now replaced a flat tire on the Prado 2020.